Hello, dear partners. We present IPK-1000, the induction steam boiler with a capacity of 1000 kilograms of steam per hour in a mobile configuration. Packed in an installed 20-feet container in assembly with a 5 cubic meter stainless steel tank with a water treatment system, ventilation, fire alarm, as well as electric and autonomous diesel heating. General specifications of IPK-1000: 3-phase of 380-volt power, power consumption up to 400 kilowatts, current rate up to 640 ampere, capacity up to 1000 kilograms of steam per hour, heated medium, water, consumed water specifications, calcium and magnesium hardness not more than 1 milligram equivalent to kilogram. Mobile building dimensions are 20 feet installed container with a length of 6 meters, width of 2.4 meters, height of 2.8 meters. Output steam temperature up to 180 degrees by Celsius. Steam pressure up to 8 bar. Total weight 7 tons. Here is some brief information about the startup and operation of IPK-1000. Attention! IPK-1000 is only installed in a hard and even horizontal surface. Connect the feeding water supply to the water inlet with a 1-inch hose. Connect the steam pipe to the pipe collector. On this side, we also have a softened water outlet, condensate water inlet, hydraulic system blow-off nipple, and drain water outlet. Besides, on the same side there is an emergency steam release valve. It is also necessary to connect the ground wire to the grounding system. Attention! Before starting IPK-1000, all air doors must be open. Procedure for connection of the induction steam generator IPK-1000. Enter the power equipment sector of the control system. Open the electric power cabinet. Turn the main switch on. Turn the automatic inductor switches on. Close the power equipment cabinet and check the water level in the feeding tank. At the moment, it is 39.8% of the total tank volume. Let me remind you that the feeding tank volume is 5 cubic meters. Then we enter the induction section. Here we do a visual check of all hydraulic system valves and make sure they are open. This is the incoming water inlet. The incoming water is supplied to the water treatment system with a pump. Then through the pipes, the incoming water gets to the water treatment system. Here the water is softened and supplied to the feeding bank through a different main. After that, from the feeding tank, the softened water is supplied into the steam boiler inductors by the inductor pumps. Here it is important to make sure that all the inductor valves are in the open position. Attention! Before starting the steam boiler, make a visual check of the inductors. To do it, open the inductor cabinet doors and check the condition of all the elements. If the inductors are intact and operating, close the cabinet doors. After that, let's go to the control system sector. For turning the steam boiler inductors on, there are toggle switches on the electric power cabinet door. Inductors may start in automatic mode with start interval of 2 minutes or in a manual start mode. Let's start the inductors. On this display, we can see that the steam boiler is on and the 3 inductors operate normally. We made sure that the steam boiler is in normal operation mode. Within 1 minute, IPK-1000 reached the pressure of 3 bar and the temperature of 142 degrees by Celsius.